Well, hello there, gentlemen, and welcome to Gentleman's Caddy. My friends call me Junior. Now, before we get started on upgrading the O-rings on my Reeve Umnumzaan, be sure to subscribe to the channel as it helps the channel grow. And be sure to smash that there like button, smash it nice and hard as it tells YouTube you like to see a gentleman's work. Now, the OEM Umnumzaan O-rings are polyurethane. They were designed to act as a shock absorber to cushion the impact of the lug or thumb stud against the handle here, as you can see. It just gives it that beautiful, smooth, hydraulic-like feel that really is unique to any folder I personally have owned. Now, something I didn't know until recently was that Reeve doesn't actually take credit for this here design. It actually goes to Grant and Gavin Hawk, the originators of the shock absorber concept here. However, I do believe Reeve really is the one who takes the credit or who popularized the design in this here Umnumzaan. Now, the ones I'm replacing it with, as you can see here, I wasn't able to definitively get an answer on whether these here are also polyurethane or if they are indeed silicone. We'll find out though. Now I have a suspicion that they are silicone just from the feel of them. They happen to also be green, as you can see here, which happens to be my favorite EDC gear color. Now I saw these on eBay and I thought I would give my Umnumzaan here an upgrade, give it a little personalization. And like everything else in life that requires maintenance, the O-rings, and you may not be able to see it here on the camera, they eventually degrade a little. And the polyurethane over time will sometimes get mushy and soften up there. It may take a while, but over time they can get soft and mushy, and it reduces the performance and feel overall. The knife will work without them, but you won't get the benefit of the design intent with the shock absorption here. So let's take these here original rings off then. Now the retailer was nice enough to provide 3 sets here, plus an extra one just in case. So that's nice for future upgrades and replacements down the line here. But for today's purposes, we only need 2 for one for each side here. So depending on how worn your O-rings are, you may need to go ahead and use a tweezers here to get these originals off here. So I'm just going to leave the blade in place here and go ahead and try to pull these off. There you go. Get the other side here. There we are. And we'll go and put the new ones on here. Well, there you are. Could possibly be the easiest EDC upgrade in history of EDC upgrades. And actually feels nicer. And that could just be because they're new now too. So I can't really tell if they are silicone or not. It's a nice feel to it. That's very nice indeed. Nice upgrade there. These washers were getting a little worn. So there you have it. Now with all that being said, have a great day or night, wherever and whenever you are. Thanks for watching, gentlemen. In the fields of architecture, engineering, design, and construction, precision is paramount. Professionals often find themselves in situations where having the right tools at their disposal can significantly impact their work efficiency and accuracy. Arc carry and civil carry were conceived from the recognition of a common challenge faced by architects, engineers, builders, drafters, fabricators, and suppliers: the need for a portable and accessible scow. Now consider the scenario of ascending to the roof of a building with the roof plan in hand, only to realize that you left your scow in the car. Well, that's been me countless times. Such moments can lead to unnecessary delays and inaccuracies in measurements. This highlights the importance of having a reliable and easily transportable measuring device. Now, Arc Carry is designed as the only 3-inch everyday carry wallet-sized scow on the market. This innovative design ensures that professionals are never caught without a scow. And for everyone else, well, the Ozark line has a variety of rulers to stay accurate on the go. Head on over to Ozark Line, an exclusive partner with Etsy, at etsy.com/shop/Ozark Line, where you'll find a wide array of unique tools and gifts for design professionals on the go you won't find anywhere else.